Lenovo Z5, the Chinese phone maker's latest premium smartphone, has been unveiled on Tuesday, alongside the Lenovo A5 and Lenovo K5 Note, at an event held in Beijing. While previous rumors pointed towards an all-display design with no bezels, the Lenovo Z5 smartphone sports a 26.17mm notch on top and a significant 7.69mm bezel on the bottom. Other highlights of the Lenovo Z5 include the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 SoC, a vertical dual rear camera setup with AI capabilities, and an iPhone X-like notch. There's also 6GB of RAM and selfie flash to help it better compete with other Android-based iPhone X clones in the market. Lenovo Z5 price, release date. Lenovo Z5 price in China has been set at 1,399 Chinese yuans, roughly rupees 14,700, for the 6GB RAM/64GB storage variant and 1,799 Chinese yuans, roughly rupees 18,900, for the 6GB RAM/128GB inbuilt storage. The smartphone is up for pre-orders and shipping is said to begin in China from 10 AM on June 12. Lenovo Z5 specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Lenovo Z5 runs ZU with 3.9 on top of Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and sports a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2246 pixels, IPS display with a 90% screen-to-body ratio, an aspect ratio of 18.7:9 and 2.5D curved glass on top. The handset is fueled by an Octa-Core Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 SoC, coupled with 6GB of LPDDR4x RAM. There is a 3300 mAh battery under the hood, with support for 15 watts fast charge. In the camera department, the Lenovo Z5 comes with a 16-megapixel primary rear camera sensor and an 8-megapixel secondary sensor, both of which are vertically stacked and come with AI capabilities, HDR+, 4K support, f/2.0 aperture, and an LED flash. On the front, the handset bears an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f/2.0 aperture and Full HD video recording. There is 64GB/128GB inbuilt storage, expandable via microSD card, up to 256GB. Connectivity on the Lenovo Z5 includes 4G LTE, dual-band Wi-Fi 802.11 acres with hotspot, Bluetooth V5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and USB Type-C. Sensors on board the Lenovo Z5 include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, electronic compass, gyroscope, fingerprint sensor, and proximity sensor. Dimensions of the smartphone are 153 by 75.65 by 7.85mm and weight is about 165 grams. This is all about the Lenovo Z5, our biggest lie. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.